Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Forms for event registrations. Using Google Forms for event registrations is a simple and efficient way to collect attendee information. And through this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide to create one. First, you can just go to the Google Forms, docs.google.com/forms, and then you can sign in with your Google account and just click on this plus icon to create a new form. And now you can just enter the title for your form. For example, here I'm going to just write event registration form. And you can also add a description such as please fill out this form to register for, you can write the event's name. For example, the event A, example. And now you can add questions for the registrations. You can add first, for example, you need to, I'm going to go with full name here. I'm going to change, it will automatically change into short answer, and I'm going to make it required so that the respondents need to fill in the question. And you can just click on the plus icon to add another questions. Email address required again, and plus again in here, phone number, event date. For example, if you have more than one date of the event, you can use this, and you can use a drop down or multiple choice questions type. I'm going to go with multiple choice. For example, here December 30, and the next one is December 31. And next question, if you have any. But if you are done with the question, you can, if you want to, you can customize the form design. You can click on this palette icon to customize your form. You can choose a theme color or upload a header that match with the event's branding. So if you have your own banner, you can upload, but if you don't have one, you can just go with this. For example, I'm going to go with the one provided by the Google form. And here you can also set the form settings. You can click on the settings at the top, and here under the responses section, you can decide whether you want to collect email address or not, and you can also turn on the limit to one response if appropriate. Okay, when you are done, you can just click on publish, or you can just directly click on this copy respondent thing, and then you can just copy it and share it to the emails or maybe another social platforms. That's pretty much all. That's how you can create a form for event registration. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.